Since the extinction of the Tasmanian tiger in the early 1900s, Tasmanian devils are the world's largest carnivorous marsupial. They are short, thick-set animals with black and white coats, broad heads with strong jaws and short, thick tails. Maturing to approximately 30 centimetres high and weighing 12 kilograms, Tasmanian devil males are larger than the females. Healthy Tasmanian devils have a lifespan of up to 6 years, with females breeding yearly and producing up to 4 young per litter. Whilst Tasmanian devils were once located throughout the whole of Australia, they have been extinct on the mainland for over 400 years. Now contained to the island of Tasmania, the Tasmanian devil, or Sarcophilus herresi, has previously faced the threat of extinction due to hunting by early European settlers. Now a protected species, along with all native animals, the Tasmanian devil is again endangered, suffering from a rare contagious tumour commonly known as devil facial tumour disease. First discovered in 1996, devil facial tumour disease has rapidly spread throughout the Tasmanian devil population, with an 85% decline in population numbers. In some regions, as much as 97% of the adult population has been wiped out, with the disease causing death within 6 months of the appearance of the first lesions. Devil facial tumour disease is now present in over 60% of Tasmania and moving in a southwesterly direction. With extinction imminent from the rapidly evolving devil facial tumour disease, a strategic management plan was developed in 2003, following a conference of national specialists. In order to ensure Tasmanian devil species survival, 20 zoos and sanctuaries throughout Australia have undertaken captive breeding programs from certified disease-free individuals. It is estimated that this insurance breeding program will be able to produce 1,500 individuals, with the program aiming to re-release these animals into their natural habitat when devil facial tumour disease is controlled. Research has indicated that the presence of devil facial tumour disease has changed the breeding habits of Tasmanian devils, with females now carrying young from the age of 1 rather than at 2 years of age. It has also been noted that more female offspring are being produced by diseased mothers when compared to healthy populations. It is unknown if this is due to a lack of competition for food resources or as a natural biological defence mechanism. It has been noted that diseased mothers do not transmit the tumours to their offspring, however the disease is passed on via bites and scratch from an infected devil. Without human intervention, the Tasmanian devil will not survive. While scientific research focuses on developing a cure or preventative vaccine for devil facial tumour disease, population relocation programs are being employed to protect the future of the species, along with captive breeding programs being undertaken by zoos and sanctuaries throughout Australia. Education programs for schools and the wider community are being supported by Zoos Victoria, the Tasmanian Government and several universities within Australia. These programs aim to educate the community of the importance of the Tasmanian devil, provide information for Tasmanian residents on ways to assist researchers and the devil population, and to raise awareness of the need for further funding for research. Funding via the Save the Tasmanian Devil program and other fundraising initiatives allows for captive breeding programs to run successfully throughout Australia, along with population studies within Tasmania. Strategic plan objectives also include managing the ecological impacts of Tasmanian devil population reduction, some of which include the decline in other native species by predation of feral cats and foxes, whose numbers had previously been controlled by Tasmanian devils. Quolls and bandicoots are the most commonly effective species, with both being listed as endangered. Further research is being carried out into the most effective methods of disease control, including removal of infected devils from wild populations and releasing healthy individuals back into the wild. Unfortunately, to date, these methods have not slowed the progression of devil facial tumour disease. More research is needed to ensure the survival of this iconic Australian species and the ecosystem they inhabit.